Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you a very easy recipe for making dal in your instant pot. And if you don't own an instant pot, you can make this in a regular pressure cooker or a regular pot. I do have recipes for the regular pot version already on the channel. So in the instant pot, I'm going to start by adding in my washed split peas or dal. In goes some chopped onions, chopped garlic, pimento pepper. You could also add in a piece of habanero pepper in here. My mother-in-law likes to put red sweet peppers. If you do that, feel free. In went salt and now some turmeric. What we have to do is add enough water to cover the split peas. And we're going to cover the instant pot and we're going to set it to the pressure cook mode. And I'm going to let it pressure cook for 12 minutes. If you want it really like softer than what I'm going to show you guys here, I would suggest putting it for like around 15 minutes. Now make sure and release that pressure that has been built up and then go ahead and check your split peas, your dal, nice and soft. But it still needs some help, so I'm going to use my immersion blender to help me blend this until it's nice and smooth. The longer you leave the dal, of course it can melt out in there, maybe 20 minutes, so you don't have to use the blender. But I still have to use the blender because I like to break up my pimento peppers into my dal, so you see specks of red. And if you were using a red sweet pepper, you would also achieve the same look. I'm going in with some roasted ground geera powder and I'm just going to mix that in. Now at this point you would want to taste and adjust your salt because next we're going to chunky our dal. So to my mini frying pan I'm adding in some garlic in my oil and I'm also going in with a few cumin or geera seeds, and we're going to allow this to toast until it's dark brown. I like my garlic really burnt, but you can cook your garlic too the way you like it. And once it's at this consistency, we're just going to throw it into the dal, and this is known as chunky in the dal. So once you've done that, all you have to do is give it a good mix and your dal is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you guys wanted to use this recipe as a base for dal dumpling soup and add in some dumplings when the dal is finished, allow the dumplings to cook on the saute mode for about 15 minutes and you'd have a nice dal dumpling soup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.